Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. I bought this from Amazon. Sorry about my place is a little messy. It has also lower part. You can adjust these are the lower part of that. But let's jump to the stuff. I just bought this one for learning because of that reason. I don't like to spend lots of money. But if you have, why not? The one thing, as you can see here, the maximum, the maximum volume here, and also the medium volume here. As you can see, when you push it slowly and slowly, and when you push hard, it even like the piano. I like this option. And you see, and the pressure is not like the high brand you see Yamaha, those stuff, but it's acceptable for this price. And the distance between each of the keys is not very well, but it's for example, when you touch like this in the piano or the high famous brand, you cannot feel because they are put their keys very firm and very accuracy, but this one is not like that. But this is improved based on the previous model I saw, because as you can see here, every time you push hard, this is the piano model. This is the E-piano, and sound quality seems to be good. This is the rock. This is the stereo, and this is the bass. Quality and price, it seems to be good, and it's feel like a real piano. I like it, and yes, I think they did a good job compared to the other previous model. Yes, thank you for watching. Bye.